Hi, I'm Shabana, and I have curated this exhibition. This was basically an extension of my research in MPhil that I did from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and now I'm doing PhD from JNU, School of Arts and Aesthetics. So basically, I have been engaging with the subject of Dalit art through my MPhil research, and I met a lot of artists during my research work, and I met Sudhara Kolve, who has been behind this project entirely. So while speaking to him and discussing my research, he suggested that, since I have been in touch with so many artists, I should also bring them together in a common platform. And Dalit art, which is a very less spoken about subject, we should try to bring it out to the public and have some discussions and debates around it. So that's how the project got initiated. And so basically, all the painters who have contributed to this project, this exhibition, they have all been working with the Dalit movement and caste issues since the past 30-40 years. Some of them have been working even for a longer period than that. And this is not a one-time event. Basically, this is the kind of subject they have, on which they have all been working for a long time, and they thankfully agreed to do this exhibition. And funding was a major problem during the exhibition because we didn't have funds, and even the artists, like, they have contributed without any
remuneration expectations.
Yeah, without any expectations, and they have even spent their own money to send their artworks. And we have had a lot of volunteers and people from all over Mumbai to help us out. So basically, the idea of this exhibition has been to explore the concept of Dalit art. So what we mean by Dalit art is not just who the painting is being done by, but also what the content of the painting is. So by Dalit art, we mean any art forms which is dealing with the subject of caste and which is being done with a Dalit consciousness. So we often find that a lot of social issues has been projected in artworks, but the issue of caste is largely ignored in such artworks. So in the mainstream gallery art, caste is something which people refrain from doing. So many artists said that the demand for such paintings is very less. So that is a risk that artists don't want to take, and they would rather paint on subjects which are aesthetically more beautiful to the mainstream public. So in that ways, the artists who have contributed to this exhibition, they have taken a huge risk, because the demand for such artworks which do not fit the mainstream notion of beauty and aesthetic, they have challenged that mainstream idea, and they have tried to create a separate Dalit aesthetic, challenging the Brahminical and mainstream notion. And basically the idea was to one more good thing about this exhibition is that there are a lot of different ideological perspectives that have come together in this thing. So the perspectives, like, there are people from Ambedkarite perspectives, there are people from Buddhist, and even people from Marxist and Ambedkarite perspectives who have contributed to this show. And a good thing is that they have agreed to, they are more flexible in their ideology, so they have agreed to come together in a common platform, and their main aim was to bring out discussions on such issues. And I'm thankful that that's what has been happening in this exhibition.
It started.
Yeah. And,
when did it start?
The process began almost 1.5 years back when I was doing my research, and I spoke to the painters, and I have been discussing about the issue of Dalit art. And during the process, actually, there were some artists who did not agree to contribute because they were not very comfortable with the idea of Dalit art. So I'm telling this because even the subject of Dalit art is very controversial, and it's very new, and there are debates that such a category should not exist. So the idea of this exhibition is to bring about such debates and dialogues. And the fact that we are having such an exhibition, it makes it apparent that there is such a category, but to what extent it should be there or not is a question which we want to explore.
So how's the response now?
I don't know, we are not having too much public right now because it's very hot and it's in the weekdays. So, but still on 14th and the Saturday Sunday people have come, and there are mostly people who are related to the movement. So what I felt was people from the mainstream public is not that much. So in that way, is probably the audience is a little restricted. But
Why that?
uh,
Why that?
I don't know actually, because there is a very small gallery and a subject like Ambedkar and caste is some, I feel that it's not something which people get attracted to too much. So it's mostly, when I spoke to the audience, it was like they were either activists or students. So yeah, but the response has been very good. Like people have appreciated the efforts, and people are actually giving new insights to the paintings. So, and we have also given small descriptions in the paintings so people can understand and discuss upon it.